Hey guys, today I am unboxing this Fairywill toothbrush kit. It comes with user manual, one toothpaste and Fairywill P9 Sonic electric toothbrush. Electric toothbrush. It comes with charger, 4 brush heads, it comes with travel case, this electric toothbrush takes 2 hours for full charge and lasts 30 days. This brush has 5 modes. First is white, second is for clean, third for sensitive, fourth is polish, and fifth is for massage. Fairywill coconut charcoal toothpaste is fluoride free, peroxide free and gluten free. This toothpaste keeps bad breath away, prevent unwanted cavities, strengthen the enamel of the teeth, maintain the teeth healthy and white, against bleeding gums.